Say with me, colors name red, yellow, green, brown, pink, violet, blue, orange, parrot green, sky blue. Today we will learn uppercase letter, lowercase letter, counting numbers and shapes. So let's go. Write with me. Uppercase letter A, lowercase letter A, B, B, C. Say with me. C. Write with me. D. Say with me. D. Write with me. E. Say with me. E. Write with me. F. Say with me. F. Write with me. G. Say with me. G. Write with me. H. Say with me. H. Write with me. I. Say with me. I. Write with me. J. Say with me. J. Write with me. K. Say with me. K. Write with me. L. Say with me. L. Write with me. M. Say with me. M. Write with me. N. Say with me. N. Write with me. O. Say with me. O. Write with me. P. Say with me. P. Write with me. Q. Say with me. Q. Write with me. R. Say with me. R. Write with me. S. Say with me. S. Write with me. T. Say with me. T. Write with me. U. Say with me. U. Write with me. V. Say with me. V. Write with me. W. Say with me. W. Write with me. X. Say with me. X. Write with me. Y. Say with me. Y. Write with me. G. Say with me. G. Write with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Draw with me. Circle, triangle, square, heart shape, rectangle, pentacle. Now say with me. Circle, triangle, square, heart shape, rectangle and pentacle. Color with me. Yellow, parrot green, square, orange, sky blue, pink, subscribe for more video.